All right, we are going to be drawing a picture of a cairn. And what is a cairn? It is a stack of rocks. So just to give you a little preview, this is what we're going to be drawing. So we're going to start with a plain piece of paper and a marker. Go ahead and pause this video and grab a marker and a piece of plain paper. And it doesn't matter what color the marker is. You could use red or green or blue or black or orange or whatever color you want. All right, we're going to start by writing the word cairn at the top. Cairn, C-A-I-R-N. And now we're going to define it. What is it? It is a stack of rocks. So go ahead and write that down on your page. It's often used as a trail marker or a location marker. All right, for the drawing part of this, we are going to first draw a line across the bottom for our ground. Next, we're going to use this space right here for where we're going to put our cairn. So we're going to put our first rock on the ground right in this location. Rocks are not usually perfectly round. It just depends on the type of rock. I think for this first rock, we're going to start with one that's a little bit jagged, but has enough of a flat top that we could put another rock on top. All right, go ahead and draw your rock. In my other two examples, the bottom rock looks slightly different, so don't worry if yours looks a little different. They all look a little different because every rock is unique. The next step is to add a little bit of shadow towards the bottom of the rock to give us the sense that it is three-dimensional. To do that, we're going to use hatch marks. So we're just going to do some curved lines towards the bottom. Great, now that you have that done, we're going to add our next rock. Our next rock is going to be slightly smaller in width from this rock, but it's still going to be fairly tall, but probably about the same, like maybe about this big here. So almost as tall, almost as wide. And I'm going to start by trying to kind of match up the bottom. It kind of looks like it might fall over. I might need to put a little pebble here. That wasn't my original intention, but looking at that now, I think it's gonna need a pebble. My other drawings did not have pebbles, but the way that that one came out, it looks like it needs a pebble. So I'm gonna put a little pebble there. Okay, now let's add some hatch marks across the bottom of this rock to give it some 3-dimension and some shadow. Great. Our next rock is going to be one of those kind of flat, round, smooth rocks. It's not going to be as jagged or as lumpy as these rocks. So we're going to draw a thin, wide disc style of rock. And then add some smaller lines for our hatching. It's kind of like a pancake rock. All right, for the last rock, we're going to add a smaller one and also give that some hatch marks. And then your last step is to sign your artwork. Take a picture of it and submit it to the assignment page.